BEYREP helps eliminate a lot of the stress in an initial meeting with the customer.
BEYREP does a lot of the screening for us, which is very helpful. We've had a few jobs and the clients have been very good, top-notch clients.
All you really have to do is trust and find a relationship that you like from the ones that they provide to you. One of the primary functions of BEYREP is to create transparency between all parties involved. And so what BEYREP does is it allows you as a contractor to create your different phases and the tasks that are involved within those phases. Then once you start the project, what you can do is you can manage the task. You can manage your change orders through the dashboard. You can manage reductions in the scope or additions to your scope of work. You know, you can be organized and have everything on paper, but translating that into a format where you can see everything clearly and then show that to your clients, BEYREP allows you to do that instead of scanning receipts or showing like a compiled list of here's everything we've spent, so you know we're not taking advantage of you. If you do have a request from your client while you're standing there on the job site and they're like, yeah, let's just do it right now, then you can pull out your phone and you can, you know, step aside, take 5 minutes to yourself, create your change order, and then send it on through, and then your client can get the alert on her phone or his phone and hit accept. And so it's great in that you as a contractor can set all your payout deliverables through your task, and you as the customer can look at those and go, oh, okay, well they're almost done with this task, so I need to make sure I've got X amount of dollars in the bank, so when it's time to process payment, I can hit submit, everything's in escrow, and then we just keep moving on. It helps alleviate the stress of wondering if you're going to get payments.
Another way that BEYREP saves us money is not having to advertise as much, because I mean that's a huge benefit for us, BEYREP bringing us clients.
Whether you're a design build firm or a contractor or just a customer who's interested in having renovations done or additions done to your home or constructing a brand new home, check out BEYREP. It will alleviate time, stress, and save you money, which all that packaged into one functional platform.